So yeah, this is
I just been balling out every season. No excuses, I left in the bleachers. I just been married to double cup. I gotta pull me a four inside.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name is Lipsticklayna. In today's video, we are using the new Colourpop Big Old Peach collection. I am really excited about this, and can we talk about the freaking packaging? Y'all, I love this collection and I cannot wait for you guys to see everything inside. So if you want to see everything that's in the new Colourpop Big Old Peach collection, then make sure to keep on watching. So we are looking at the new Colourpop Big Old Peach collection, you guys. Honey, I am obsessed with this packaging. Like, can we look at this? Like, the fact that this says OMG Becky, look at her butt. Y'all, I am dead. When I opened this up, I literally started laughing. They kill it with the packaging every single time. I just don't understand what they be doing up in them labs and up in them offices, because they kill it with the packaging. Like I said, this is the Big Old Peach collection. It comes with several different products. So we're going to go ahead and go over what is in this collection. So I got this little card right here to tell me all the pricings, and I'm going to show you all of the products. The first thing in the collection is the Baby Got Peach palette, which retails for $12. The first in our pastel babies Get Sprung on this soft peachy palette. We can't deny it's our new obsession, and y'all, it is my new obsession because this packaging is absolutely everything. It screams peachiness, peachy vibes. Like, I love this. The next thing is the You Want a Peach with Me Super Shot Shadow Trio. This retails for $15. And yes, this comes with their famous Super Shot shadows. So I'm going to go ahead and take them out of the packaging. And I don't know if you guys can see, but all of them have the little peaches on the packaging, which is so stinking cute. And the colors of them are all peachy tones, and I am here for it. I love their Super Soft shadows. I feel like they are continuously slept on. They are definitely one of the great products that Colourpop offers on their websites, and I feel like they just stand out. So this is the shade in Axis. This is the shade Golden Hour, and this is the shade 6 AM. So this is the Nothing On BFF Duo, which retails for $15. This comes with their newest brown BFF mascara and liquid liner. It is one of their most requested shades ever. And this is the little duo. So here's the mascara and the liner that it comes with. They're both brown. I'm actually not going to open up the mascara just because I already own this. It came with the California Loving collection that I received. So I will be giving this away. But I will be keeping the liner, and I will show you guys what it looks like. So this is the brown liner from this collection, and it is in the shade Grande. The next thing in this collection was the Bellini Baby Lippy bundle, which retails for $12. And it says, get your lippies prepared and ready with our peachy lip bundle. So this bundle actually comes with a lippy balm and a sugar scrub. So I'm really excited to try this little lippy bundle because I have yet to try the lip balm or lip scrub from Colourpop. And I'm really excited to see how it is going to work on the lips. This is the little lip scrub and what it looks like. Definitely really cute peach packaging. Cannot wait to use this. It has a faint scent of peach, very faint, like very mild. You barely will be able to smell it, but I'm really excited about it. But here is the lip balm that it comes with. Just a typical lip balm. I know I'll just be throwing this in my purse all the time when I run out the door, or when I don't have any makeup on, or when I'm prepping to wear makeup. I use lip balm all the time. So this is definitely something I know I will get a lot of use out of. Okay, so next we have the pressed powdered blushes, which are $8 each, and they are just a variation of peachy blushes. So I'm going to show you guys the different colors that they came out with. So the first shade right here is Fresh and Peachy, and this one definitely looks like a really good everyday peachy blush. So the next shade is Perk Up, and I personally don't think I'll be using this shade just because it's definitely very light for me, but someone that has light to fair skin tones, I feel like this will be a really nice shade. And the last shade is Frisky Business, which is a very light peach, and I don't think I'll be wearing this shade either just because it's very light, but I will definitely be giving away. But it is a really light peachy shade. And last but certainly not least is the Peach Please Just a Trio Duo, which retails for $12. So these are just like some lip crowns that just add a tint to your lips, which I heard a lot of great things about, and I heard they're really perfect for every day. But these are what they look like, and we got more of like a mauvier shade and more of a peachier shade. So I cannot wait to use these on my lip. Okay, so that was all the items in the Big Old Peach collection. So let's go ahead and jump right into the demo so you guys can see how these products apply, how they work on my skin tone, and which products I liked and which ones I didn't. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay, so we're going to be using the new Peach collection from Colourpop. Y'all already know I am really here for this collection. It is so freaking cute. So we're just going to go ahead and jump right into it. So the first thing I'm going to be using is from the Bellini Baby Lippy bundle. And in here, this comes with a Lippy Balm and a Lippy scrub. So I'm not really going to scrub my lips today because I don't really need it, but I am going to use the lip balm. And normally I use a lip balm all the time when I'm doing my makeup or when I'm not wearing makeup. So I really like that this collection came with a lippy balm. So I'm going to go ahead and just apply that on because I like to moisturize my lips while I'm doing my makeup. So by the time I do my lip products, everything just glides on really smoothly. Right off the bat, I can tell this is really moisturizing, definitely feels very comfortable on lips, very smooth, and I like how it feels. It doesn't feel sticky or anything, definitely feels very comfortable and nourishing. So yeah, I really like that, and I like that they added the whole lip scrub and stuff. So I'm going to be using this so much, and I know this will probably end up in your girl's purse, deep down in the abyss, because I have so many lip products in my purse, but I know this is something that I will definitely keep on hand. So now for the stuff that we are excited for, the palette Baby Got Peach. So yeah, this is I really can't right now, you guys. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe I just did this. My feelings are so hurt. Okay, now I got to figure out what shade goes where, because this is what we have right now, you guys. Right here, I just fucked up the whole palette. So pause production, you guys. Pause production. Give me a few seconds so we can get this straightened out. I have finally put it back together, and thank God they are magnetic. So I was not over here having to struggle to glue these down. They literally just pop back into place and they are not going anywhere. So thank you so much, Colourpop, for thinking this through, because someone like my dumb ass will drop the palette and they will fucking break, and they didn't. So amen to that. Okay, so I think the first shade I'm going to go into is this shade right here, which is Perky. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is like a muted peach color, and I'm going to go ahead and take that into my crease. And I'm going to take that with a JH30 brush. Okay, so my biggest concern about this palette when I seen it is I was wondering if it was going to show up on my skin tone. Okay, yes. This shade is actually showing up a lot darker than I expected, so that is always a plus. And I know you guys are probably like, what Elena has her based on before her eyeshadow? I know, but you guys, I literally was filming a video before this one, and this was just how I needed to do the video so I can get everything done. So No, I have not changed my routine. I still do eyes before base. So this shade Perky is actually really nice. It's like a straight up peach on my skin tone. It looked a lot more muted in the pan, but I really like this shade and it's blending out really nicely. And now I'm going to be taking the shade Centerfold, this middle shade right here, which is like a bright peach, and adding that into the crease as well. And I'm going to take that on a JH36 brush. I'm really impressed with how much these shades are showing up on my skin tone, because I feel like online they definitely looked a lot more muted and pastel than they do in the pan. And as you can see, it's very vibrant. So I'm really glad about that, because I was really worried that it was not going to show up on my skin and these were going to look very like pastel, but so far they are looking really, really nice. So I personally wish they had like a few shades in here that had a little bit more depth. I feel like this would work a lot better on someone with lighter skin. But if you just want that wash of peach, then this can be your palette. Or if you don't have a problem with using this palette with another palette, then you should be good. So now I'm going to go in with the shade Half Baked, which is this brownie looking peach shade, and use this in the outer crease as well, just to see if it's going to give us a little bit more depth. So with that shade Half Baked, it really didn't add any depth. As you can see, like we still just have like a wash of peaches all just kind of blending in together. I kind of feel like that's what this palette is missing, but I get what they're trying to do. This is a palette that is supposed to be all peach shades and there's all supposed to be a monochromatic look. So I guess putting in a brown in here wouldn't be, you know, wouldn't really go with the theme. But I personally would like something that has a little bit more depth and dimension in here just for my liking. Okay, so I'm going to use two shades. I'm going to use one from the palette and I'm going to use one of the Super Shot shadows. Okay, so I'm going to take this shade right here, Ready or Yacht. And I'm going to apply that on the first half of this little cut crease we're going to be creating. Okay, so we're going to use this Colourpop brush, and this is the E3, and it's like a good shader brush. And ooh, this is like a frosted peach. Like it has like that white shimmer with that peach undertone under it. So this is really pretty, but the fact that it has that peach base under it makes it look really flattering for this look, because it's reflecting that peachy shade. Okay, so I'm loving how the eyes are turning out so far. It's looking so pretty. So now I'm gonna go in with this Super Shot shadow, and this is in Axis, and this is a ultra metallic Super Shot shadow. So I'm gonna apply that with the same Colourpop E3 brush, and we're just gonna pack it on. Ooh, this is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Ooh, I really like this shade. And I love their ultra metallic formula in their Super Shot shadows. They are always so metallic and glittery. Like they just look so pretty on the eye. Okay, so the next product I'm going to be using is the Nothing On BFF Duo Volumizing Mascara and Liner. This liner is in the shade Grande, and it is a brown liner. And I feel like a brown liner for this collection is perfect, just because the peach is more of a light and muted color. So I feel like the brown liner will just help not make it look so harsh, and it looks like it is just going on really nicely. It's very pigmented and very easy to use. Okay, so my camera died, but I think the last thing I was doing was the eyeliner, and this actually worked really good for me. I personally like the shade Browns. It looks way less harsh than black, and it was very pigmented and glided on perfectly. The only thing I don't really care for about this product is the fact that it is a felt tip liner, and I normally use just like a liquid liner that has more give and a little bit more looseness to it, and this one's definitely more stiff. So if you are someone that likes a felt tip liner and you like brown, then I think you'll really like this. Okay, so now we're gonna move into the blush, and I'm really excited. I love some good blush, And the shade I'm going to be using is Fresh and Peach. And here is the packaging right here. Super duper cute. Pray this color shows up on your girl's skin because I'm kind of nervous. But I think it's going to be a really nice wash of color. Yes, it's showing up. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Like, I feel like this will be a really good blush on an everyday basis. It doesn't have any shimmer in it. It's a straight up a matte blush. But it is actually a lot more pigmented than I expected it to be just by looking at it in the pan. It's definitely showing up on my skin tone. Okay, last but certainly not least, in this big old peach collection, we are using the Peach Please Just a Tint Lip Crayon Bundle. Yes, I have not tried this product yet, but I heard some really good things about this, so I'm really excited to see how these will apply on the lip. I think I'm gonna go in with Give Me S'mores. Oh my god, these smell amazing. They smell like the little peach rings that you used to eat when you were a little kid. Oh my god, like it smells just like that. You can see that is Give Me S'mores, and it's just giving us a wash of color. I think this will be a really good use on an everyday basis, especially even if you don't wear a lot of makeup. I feel like these will look really good on with some mascara and just this product right here. Okay, so that was all of the stuff in the Big Old Peach by Colourpop collection, and I actually really enjoyed that collection. I think it was really cute. I personally love how the overall collection look. I feel like they always kill it with their packaging. The packaging is absolutely amazing and definitely screams peachy peach, and I love that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video with me using all of the new products from the Colourpop Big Old Peach collection. I really enjoyed trying out all these products and seeing which ones worked and which ones didn't. So let me know in the comments below if you're going to pick up this collection or if you have your eyes out on something else, because honey, Colourpop is always coming out with so many products and I feel like they are always working in their sleep. They never get any sleep. So let me know if you guys are going to pick up this collection. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn your post notifications so you can be notified every time I post a video. I love you guys so much, and thank you for all the love and support you show me in all my videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.